Dear 6th standard students, we are into part 2 of 3rd unit, changes around us. In previous class we have seen, in the first part we have seen what is meant by change. If there is any difference between the initial state and the final state, if you observe the difference, you can find the change. The process in which something becomes different from what it was earlier is called change. So in this class we are going to see what are the different types of changes. Nothing but classification of changes. So there are different types of changes we can see in our day-to-day life. Some changes takes place very fast, while others it takes place very slow. Some takes even hours to complete, days or even years to complete the process. Some changes may be temporary, some changes may be permanent. Some changes give you new substances, while the other changes do not give any new substances. Some changes occurs very naturally, while some changes are made artificially or made up of that are made by humans. Some changes are desirable to us. Some changes are not desirable. So changes can be classified in a different ways. Now you have to read all these changes. So what are the different types or what are the classification of changes? On the basis of similarities and differences, we have slow and fast changes. Slow changes na romba porumaiya maarradhu. Fast changes means very fast, vegama maarradhu. And second type is reversible and irreversible. Reversible means once again neenga the reverse ku kondu poitu you can bring it to the original form. Irreversible means you can't bring back to the original form. While explaining, you can understand it easily. Now we just learn all the classification names alone. Third type of classification is physical changes and chemical changes. Fourth one is desirable and undesirable. And the last one is natural changes and man-made changes. Now we can see all these different types of classification in a detailed manner. So first thing is slow and fast changes. Slow changes na enna, fast changes na enna. So look at activity 2 in your book. Look at the pictures and discuss about the duration for the changes to take place. The image paathutte you need to find how much time it takes for the changes to happen. So first image pathina, first childhood, the development stages of child. First child irukanga and then childhood lende and then later they are transforming into say like next level what you can say your level as teenage. Okay, first adolescent அது மாதிரி childhoodலேருந்து transformation of ages, that's what the first image shows. So that changes happens slowly, so that is an example for slow change. And next one, rusting of iron வந்து rust ஆகுது, so that also takes place very slow, so slow changes. Third image பாருங்க, bulb is glowing, switch on பண்றீங்க bulb glow ஆகுது, so that is an example of fast changes. அது மாதிரி Diwali crackers, you are going to burst the cracker, fast changes. So the first two image is an example of slow change. The second two examples are example of fast changes. So slow changes na enna, changes which take place over a long period of time, hours, days, months, years are known as slow changes. Changes which takes place a long period of time is called slow changes. Example, unga nagam valarradhu, growth of nails, growth of hair, seasonal change, winter, summer. Then germination of seed வந்து sapling ஆ மாறதுக்கு கண்டிப்பா ரொம்ப நாள் ஆகும். இப்போ ஒரு செடி நட்டு வைக்கிறீங்க, it has to become a tree, a plant. From plant to tree it takes many years. Coconut tree எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So it takes many years to develop itself. So these changes are very slow in process. So these changes comes under slow changes. Next we are going to see about fast changes. Changes which takes place within a short period of time. Say seconds or minutes are known as fast changes. Example, balloon உடைக்கிறீங்க, bursting of balloon. Glass உடைக்கிறீங்க, breaking of glass, bursting of firecrackers, burning of paper, உடனே ashes மாறிடும். So these all are examples of fast changes. So first thing, slow and fast changes. Second classification is reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible and irreversible changes. You have to concentrate on spelling also. Reversible. So reversible means adile name le irukku. Reversible means it can be reversed. The changes can be reversed to get back to the original state. Originala enna state la ஆரம்பிக்கிறோமோ அது ஒரு ப்ராசஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் மாறும், திருப்பி அதை பழையபடி நம்ம ஒரிஜினல் ஸ்டேட்டுக்கே கொண்டு போகலாம். This type of changes that can be reversed back to its original state is called reversible change. Examples: touch me not plant. So you are touching that plant, after you are responding to the touch, after your response to the touch, once again it's stretching, once again it goes back to the original state. Next, rubber band. You are stretching the rubber band, once again it goes back to its original state. Melting of ice. Okay, these all are example of reversible changes. இப்போ touch me not plant na தொட்டாச்சு நீங்கி அப்படின்னு சொல்வீங்க, அதுதான் touch me not plant. தொட்டாச்சு நீங்கி செடியை தொட்டுறீங்கன்னா once again அது வந்து சுருங்கிடும். once again after some time it goes back to its original state. எப்படி ஃபஸ்ட்டு நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்களோ அதே மாதிரி இருக்கும் அந்த செடி. அது மாதிரி ரப்பர் பேண்டை வந்து நீங்கள் ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்ணுறீங்க. if you are taking your hand away from rubber band, உடனே திருப்பி அது ஒரிஜினல் ஸ்டேட்டுக்கு போயிடும். ஸோ these all are example of reversible change. reversible changeனா ஒரு சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது, திருப்பி அது ஒரிஜினல் ஸ்டேட்டுக்கு அது போயிடும். ஸோ changes which can reverse to get back into its original state are known as reversible change. இப்போ irreversible change அப்படின்னா என்ன? ஸோ the changes which cannot be reversed, திருப்பி ஒரிஜினல் ஸ்டேட்டுக்கு அதால் போக முடியாது. changes which cannot be reversed or changes that cannot go back to the original state are known as irreversible changes. Examples: change of milk into curd. பாலை வந்து நீங்கள் கேர்டாக மாற்றுறீங்க, ஆனால் கேர்டை மறுபடியும் பாலாக மாற்ற முடியுமா? நோ, இம்பாசிபிள். ஸோ சேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் மில்க் இன்டு கர்ட், டைஜஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபுட், மேக்கிங் இட்லி ஃப்ரம் பேட்டர். பேட்டர்னா மாவு, மாவுலேருந்து நீங்கள் இட்லி ரெடி பண்ண முடியும், திருப்பி இட்லியை வந்து மாவாக ஆக்க முடியுமானா முடியாது. ஸோ தீஸ் ஆல் ஆர் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஆஃப் irreversible change. So now you understood the difference between reversible and irreversible change. So here is an example. Activity 3. Try to make a boat and an aeroplane one by one using the same piece of paper. This means the change of shape discussed here is reversible. So reversible ku ஒரு activity கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. You have to make, see now it's a rainy season, so you can make boat by yourself. Once again you can bring back the to original paper. Same way you are going to, with the help of paper you are going to prepare aeroplane, and once again after removing the aeroplane you can bring back to the original paper, original size of the paper. So this is an example of reversible. You have to try this activity in your home. And activity 4. What kind of changes are they? Burning of a candle, piercing a balloon with a pin. So first question, burning of a candle. கேண்டிலை வந்து பற்ற வைக்கிறீங்க, மறுபடியும் அதை வந்து அணைக்கிறீங்க, மறுபடியும் அதை பேர்ன் பண்ண வைக்கலாம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் an example of reversible. Burning of a candle is an example of reversible changes. ஏன்னா மறுபடியும் பற்ற வைக்கிறீங்க, மறுபடியும் அணைக்கிறீங்க. once again you can glow the light or you can burn the candle. And second thing, piercing a balloon with a pin. ஸோ ஒரு பலூன் ஊதுறீங்க, பின்னை வச்சு அதில் ஓட்ட போடுறீங்க, பலூன் வந்து வெடிச்சிருது. பர்ஸ்ட் ஆன பலூனை மறுபடியும் நீங்கள் ஊத முடியுமா? நோ, impossible. So second one, B1, piercing a balloon with a pin is an example of irreversible change. So this activity 4, you have to fill it in your book. And in the next class we can see What is meant by physical and chemical changes, and after that desirable, undesirable. So we can see all these changes in the next class. So in this class you have seen about reversible and irreversible, slow and fast changes. Thank you.